All right, we're going to the UT Austin North office building. He's got Dieselducy on loan today.
And there's Dieselducy himself.
Yep, I should have been doing that all day.
And 2 Dovers.
And this is Nick's Montgomery capacity plate.
Thank you.
Oh, I just dropped down the elevator shaft. No, I'm just kidding.
No.
Send it up to wherever we can go.
5 is the highest.
I assume the attic is locked.
That's right.
Is the basement open?
It's also locked.
Okay, so send it to 1. Let me press the door close button.
Oh, are you going down?
Yeah. Let him go down with us.
Okay.
What do you think about this elevator, Nick?
It runs pretty good.
When were these installed?
1999.
Is this the new install or a modernization?
New install.
Oh, okay, cool. Gosh, it feels good to be in an air-conditioned building.
Right.
Let this gentleman off first, and then we'll get off. And now where are we going next?
Or, do you want to do another video of this one with no one on board?
All right, you can. I'm in my camera. I'll go with. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.